So you want to run something only a certain number of times. That's where do and comes in. Unlike for loop, you don't have to set indexes, just a max count, and it will stop when it hits that. So to call it, you need to just right click and type in do n, and it won't show it up here. So you have to drag this column down to when you see it, and then you have it do n. So we just removed it because we already have it. And now we need to use eventing because it will do a certain number of times when it called. If it called one time, that it will do one time. And even if it's got reset, it will again do it only a one time. So to make you understand it better way, what I will do here is first of all, I'm going to use a print string, and I will just directly connect the counter to it so it can be very much clear to you what's happening here. And just convert it to string, and the n number of time is 10, what I set it to. You can set anything you like. So from here I'm going to use a sequence just for tutorial basis purposes. You don't have to do it. And what I do here is the 0 pin, I just connected it to enter because we need to call it again and again to perform a certain number of tasks the n number of times. I hope I'm making sense. Now we just from the second pin we just call a delay node, and I just connected it to reset so it can again perform it, but only after the 10-second time. Now, what's supposed to happen here is every tick it needs to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then after 10 seconds it will reset and then it again starts from 1 to 1 to 10. And now let's see it in action. So as soon as I press play, you can see it's 1 to 10. Then after 10 seconds it will print that again because it's doing the task n number of times. So let's just, yeah, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here you can see how it is getting used. You see, we can't visualize it for some reason, but yeah, it's just starts from tick, it do it something n number of time, and then if you reset it, it will do it again, but you need to call every time you need to perform this action. Now you might wonder where you're gonna use it. It's perfect for limiting an ability, restricting events, or testing short loops. It's not very useful in my opinion. I mean, I didn't use it so much, but yes, it can be very useful in certain number of cases. I don't have a good example, but yes, you can use it. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.